Are you looking to create a eye-catchy landing page which generates sales for your business? Then here I am going to share how to create a landing page which get a sales conversion through the software called GetResponse. If you want to know and use the software, then stay updated with this video till the end.
Before we get started, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified while I'll upload such type of content for you. Welcome friends, now we are on my computer screen and here I am going to share it with you how to create a landing page with GetResponse. To create a landing page with GetResponse, click on this create button and select create landing page. After that, here hold. After that, click on this click create new. Then here you can see some email builder tools, ready to make builder tools that you can use. These templates are available only for you guys. You can use it as you want. All type of templates are available here that you use. If you don't want this template and don't like this, then you can go with build from scratch and simply select one which is suitable for you and you can edit it as well. I am selecting this one. Here you need to give a name to your landing page. For just example, I'll give it a name called On Biz Digital, our brand name, and click on next step. Now here you will see the landing page builder will open on your screen, and here you can edit all the changes you want to do. Here you can add images. If you want to add image, just click on it and replace it and add images that you want. Here you can add free GetResponse images that available on GetResponse. Here 3D to 3D students. And if you want to add a premium stock images, then you can also do it here with these images as well. So as simple as you can do it. If you want to add section in your landing page, then simply click on this Elementor bar first icon, drag it and drop it where it want to be add, and when it will be added. Now you can see you can move it through this scroll bar. You can change their size. Also here you can add a purchase catalog through this product box. Just simply drag it and drop it. Now the purchase box is ready. Simply give a name to your store and currency, and next process will be as simple as. Also here you can add some text as well. Just drag it and drop it and type in what you want to add. Also second element, images, as I show you before, and also you can add buttons as well. Here you can edit the buttons as you want. You can add link, colors, and if you want to change the dimensions of button, also you can do it with this tool as well. Also the next one is static forms and pop-up forms. If you want to add static form like this, then you can also add it. If you don't want, then you can go with pop-up as well. Pop-up form is also here defined: sign up form, exit form, download form, scroll form, image form, fix form. You can add anyone you want to add. Just simply we add here a pop-up form, download form, sorry, and you can change here edit as you want. And the next one is you can add also shapes as well. Just drag it. Here is a rectangle shape, square rectangle shape. Just see here. Now here we added a rectangle shape, circle, line, separator, or all these things you can add. This is one of premium feature you can add. You can add to promote webinar through this feature. If you want to promote webinar on your landing page, then this feature is available for you, but it's not available for basic plan. You have to go with the pro plan for 30 days. Also, next one is which I personally like is a timer. You can add timer as you want. You can select your country and time zone, and counter ends means whenever your counter becomes end. And if you want to evergreen for every visitor, it means whenever visitor comes on your site, from that time their timer will be started. So you can also do this as well. You can add videos, Twitter, social links, and PayPal buy now options as well. This option is go with the integration. You have to add a PayPal to use this, and you can add your custom HTML codes as well. Just simply drag and drop feature. As simple as this feature, you can design your landing page. Also, you just suppose if you add a form, then you can edit a form settings through this. You can add a meta description and meta title. You can add favicon icons. If you using a ad advertising, then you can activate this cookie notifications. Also, you can upload the image of Facebook upload Facebook's. Here the next one is you can edit your page with mobile friendly as well. You can see here you can edit your landing page as mobile friendly. Here you make a changes that will be affected with this desktop as well, but if it's friendly for mobile, then it doesn't change with the ad desktop version. So while your landing page becomes ready, then click on next step. If you want to save, you can save it here. You can save it as a template as well. Then click on next step. Next step will be here. Here you'll see here same features. Here you see landing page URL setting. Here you can do. You can add your custom domain. If not, then you can go with the get response domains as well, subdomains as well. Here three subdomains are available in get response called gr8.com, subscribemenow.com, and getresponsepages.com. These domains are you can use with your subdomain. Also you can do done here your subscription setting. It means on which list you want to add your email list, and here you can set a autoresponder as well. You can click here to confirm opt-ins, double opt-in or single opt-in. Also, one feature I like most about a get response landing page is here you can track your landing page traffic performance through this. Here are many options that you can use: Google Analytics, Tags Manager, Bing Ads. Just you have to get code from these partners and simply drag it here. As you can see the ID of that campaign. Also you can do a Google Ads conversion tracking through these options and simply publish on it. Your landing page becomes published and you can get your landing page. If you, so as simple as you can create your landing page. Thank you.
If you guys you like this video and get some new learnings from this, if you want more learnings like this, then stay updated with our YouTube channel and visit our site onbizdigital.com. I get the part of our On Biz Digital family. So thanks for listening to this podcast.